Yo, what is up everybody? My name is Kenzo, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my own song, I Don't Want to Fade Away.
I love you.
I don't wanna fade away. All of these scars, I hope they go away so I can stay forever with you. These thoughts, yeah, they cloud my mind, make me wanna be dead.
Alright, so yeah, now that you've heard the song, I got a lot of requests to actually like deconstruct this and take it apart by a lot of comments on my lyric video, and yeah, I mean, I was just fucking around at like 3 a.m. Shout out to Boy50 for making the beat, you know? I came across the beat and I was just like, honestly, I kind of feel something on this. I'm gonna record this, and then I ended up making I Don't Want to Fade Away, which has like 5K, like a little bit over 5K across like all plats, so that's pretty cool. If you want to listen to the song or my music, check it out, link in the description, top comment, you already know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and basically deconstruct how I made I Don't Want to Fade Away. Alright, so first of all, you know, pretty simple shit. We got the main vocals, which is, you know, runs on my main vocal preset that I use, and then the background vocals right here, which just add this like little, you know what I mean? They're fucking over the top and they suck ass, because I recorded this song like 9 months ago, dead ass. So I was kind of shitty at making music back then. So yeah, my vocals were like a lot worse, honestly, than what they would probably be now. Like back then I would just kind of fucking like put energy into it and not pay attention. Like I do more like too much confidence. Like you want to have confidence when you record, but you shouldn't have too much, as in this. Because yeah, it sounds fine when it's all like put together with autotune or whatever, but it low-key, I feel like it would have been it would just all like come together nicer if I would have recorded the second like vocal layer with like a nicer, you know, like more melodic touch and wouldn't be screaming. But yeah, first of all, we got like this part in the beginning, which I didn't even notice this was there until I opened the FLP. It's just kind of, you can kind of hear it. I didn't even know this was me doing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with that. Basically, we just got an auto-tune. We got 2 parametric EQs here, filtering out some bullshit. I'm gonna just leave it on screen. Y'all can copy it down. You already know how it goes. We got a fruity compressor with this. This is basically just my clear like background vocal preset. Hold up, we got a C6 stereo from Waves, another parametric EQ, the sound godizer, this vintage reverb, this fucking delay right here, and another parametric EQ. So yeah, if you want to actually copy this down, y'all can just buy this preset. It's basically just called the I Don't Want to Fade Away preset. Y'all can purchase it. It's $25. Just send it to me on PayPal. My PayPal's in the description and in the comment section. So if you want to go ahead and just send me 25 bucks, I will literally send you the full like vocal preset with everything. Like the whole pack, basically, that includes these like little beginning things. I like, there's a lot of cool things you can do with those, like plug songs and shit too. So yeah, let's go over to the main vocals. You know, this is what they sound like with the preset on, obviously.
I don't wanna fade away. All of these scars.
So yeah, that's what it sounds like with everything on. Let's go ahead and turn everything off, just not have auto-tune off. I accidentally, fuck me, dude, I turned off, alright, my bad, I accidentally turned off the wrong fucking mixer channel. Alright, this is what it sounds like without anything on.
I don't wanna fade away. All of these scars.
And like, even on a beat, you know what I'm
I
saying?
don't wanna fade away.
Kind of sounds like ass, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is what I have on here, you know what I'm saying? This is fully Wave stuff. Basically, I have a de-esser, an SSL channel, an RVox stereo, CLA, a vocal rider, an R channel, an NS1, a vintage verb, and an H delay, and that's basically it. I'm not going to go ahead and show you what my settings are in the plugins, because obviously I'd be giving it away, and yeah, since I'm selling it, I can't give away everything. So yeah, then we have the background vocals, which is right here. This is actually, fun fact, I didn't make this background vocal preset. This is actually like Lil Tracy's background vocal preset, like his actual thing. So yeah, you already heard what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like together with the main vocals. And the only thing I changed on it was I added this wider plugin, which like just kind of like widens it to another 50%. So, and it sounds really cool. So yeah, honestly, there's not a lot to this song. This is kind of all it is. Just runs over here and then it comes back in with a little. And this little yeah, by the way, is also the same preset that's this one, like the one I used in the beginning that I had like really turned down. It's the same thing. So yeah, you can use it for a lot of different things. I've used it for a lot of different songs and a lot of different like, you know, you can use this shit for pop songs to have like a Post Malone like second voice, or like you have a main vocal and then you have like a sub radio vocal, you know what I mean? You can use it for a lot of shit. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out and buy this preset, it'll be in the description. You already know how it is. 25 bucks to my PayPal and it's all yours. You know, it comes with the main vocal preset, which is waves. It comes with the second vocals, like the background vocals, and the clear background vocals. And yeah, I'll throw it, like if you don't have waves, I'll throw in a stock FL Studio like main vocal preset, since I use waves plugins for my main, like, you know, for the main vocals right here, but my like stock FL Studio vocal preset sounds very similar to it. Not exactly the same, but very similar. So yeah, if you guys don't have waves plugins but you still want to buy the preset, y'all still can. Y'all still have basically the full pack with it. And yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's been Kenzo, and I'll see y'all later. Thanks and goodbye, motherfuckers.